Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. In this video, we're going to be doing chapter 18, verse 68. And okay, so let's call out to Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dear Bhagavan Shri Krishna, please help us understand this Gita as we're coming to the conclusion of this soon in a few days. Few verses. Please help us understand this and please give us the motivation to dive deeper and deeper into this so that we can understand deeper and deeper as well. Okay, so let's sing this verse. Ya idam paramam guhyam madbhakteshvabhidhasyati bhaktim mai param kritva mame vaishyatya sanshayah. For those who explain this supreme secret to the devotees, pure devotional service is guaranteed, and at the end he will come back to me. So basically, it is advised that Gita be discussed only amongst devotees. For those who are not devotees will not understand Krishna or the Gita. And if those who do not accept Krishna and Gita should not try to explain it and become offenders, because basically we will become offenders by explaining it to people who are not willing to listen, and they will become offenders by saying something negative. Bhagavad Gita should be explained to persons who are ready to accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Anyone who tries to present Gita in devotional activities who presents Gita as it is will advance in devotional activities. So basically he's saying this, but then Prabhupada also went to the whole world and he did massive amounts of book distribution. So he was giving the Gita to people who did not believe and who did not want it many times. So it's not that simple. Like, I don't understand this verse at all because it's not that simple, clearly, because Prabhupada did go around massively preaching to people who did not know anything about Krishna and who did not accept anything about Krishna as well, and all of that. But yeah, and here he says the same thing basically, that if you give Bhagavad Gita knowledge if you discuss amongst yourselves, so that is, I think, 10:9. So, Machitta Madgata Prana Bodhayanta Parasparam Kathayantascha Mam Nityam Tushyanti Cha Ramanti Cha. So, those people who discuss amongst themselves, Bodhayasta Parasparam, like constantly discuss it, teach each other, and Kathayantascha Mam Nityam. Nityam means constantly talk about me. Kathayantascha, talk about me. And who think about me, Machitta Madgata Prana, whose lives are devoted to me, those Tushyanti Cha Ramanti Cha, they are happy. They stay happy. They stay satisfied and happy. Okay, so I don't know why I remembered that just now. Yeah, okay. So that's it for this verse. We'll do chapter 18, verse 69 in the next video. Wish you a very, very, very beautiful day filled with lots of spiritual growth. Radhe Radhe.